Good morning everyone.
Good morning, class.
This is Rishabh Keshi from class 10th and it is my honor to speak before you on a topic that holds an immense importance in the country development, that known as women empowerment. Women empowerment is enabling women to take control of their own life, make their own decisions, choices and participating in the society. It involves economical freedom and social aspects from the stereotypes thinking. There are too many aspects of women empowering by economically, politically, socially, and also important is that economically with emotionally. So first of all we talk about empowering women by economically. How we can economically empower them? To economically empower them, we have to get them access to education. We have to give them access to learning a skill. By learning a skill, they can become independent. They can take their own decisions. And after that, we can talk about social aspects. This focuses on enhancing their equal status in the society. From that person who say women can't do like a man, women नहीं कर सकती एक man के जैसा. No, this type is called a stereotype. Women can do and he proven what he can do. There are too many examples that women can give excellence in every sectors, like Kalpana Chawla, the first woman who goes to a space. In that time, no woman can think I go outside the home and go to the another sectors. But Kalpana Chawla has some important abilities to go to outside and explore their abilities. And there is a live example, Draupadi Murmu. He is a tribal woman, where people think women is only for doing their household works. But in no time, Draupadi Murmu is the president of India. Do you think the tribal communities where people only thinking that women can't do everything? They are only for household works, homeworks, जो भी बोल सकते हैं. But he is leading our country. President have power. And there is another example, that is Indira Gandhi, who is the first woman Prime Minister of India. And Mother Teresa also. Mother Teresa have a Nobel Peace Prize for what? For the service to the poor people. There are too many examples in the recent times. Women leading companies, flying fighter jets, and leading the country also. In many sectors, women prove their excellence. As a student, we must have to become the voice of change. As Malala Yousafzai once said, we all are succeed. As Malala Yousafzai once said, we all cannot succeed without we cannot all succeed when half of us left behind. The half of us refers to women that left behind. But in no time that the thinkings is changed. The society is like a cycle. Imagine a cycle. How cycle runs, how cycle walks, how cycle go further by the help of two wheels. If you imagine one wheel is broken or punctured, each cycle goes further, move forward, not. Like without women, we cannot go further to take the society we cannot grow their society. By this, thank you for coming and to giving their time, attention and open minds. Thank you and good day.